celebrating Thanksgiving. It's an American tradition and holiday where we have lots of food. We celebrate what we're thankful for, what we love, what we're grateful for. With the class, we've been talking a lot about what we're thankful for, our family, our house, our classmates. We made an apple pie at school and we did the ingredients step by step, and we're really excited to eat it.
I'm thankful for everything that I have and for a loving family that I have as well.
I'm thankful for the food and for my family.
I'm thankful for my school because it has very good education and they're all very working hard and there's good friends.
I'm thankful for my family, my house, and for the teachers. For my teacher and my family and my house. I'm thankful for health. I'm thankful for my brother.
I'm thankful for my family and my pets. I have 2 dogs and a turtle.
I am thankful for my friends, my family, and my wonderful class.